Welcome. Today we will learn how to use a calendar to schedule your time smarter and be more productive every day. A calendar is a powerful tool that helps you organize your tasks, appointments, and goals all in one place. It keeps you focused and reduces stress by making sure nothing important gets forgotten. First, choose the calendar you want to use. It could be a digital calendar like Google Calendar, Outlook, or a simple paper planner. Digital calendars are great because they can send you reminders and sync across all your devices. Next, start by adding your fixed appointments. These are meetings, classes, or events that happen at a set time. Add them to your calendar with the exact time and location. This step creates the backbone of your schedule. After that, list your important tasks and deadlines. Break big tasks into smaller steps and assign each step to a specific day and time. This method helps you avoid last-minute rushes and keeps your progress steady. Use different colors or labels to categorize your events and tasks. For example, use one color for work, another for personal activities, and a different one for health or exercise. This way, you can easily see the balance of your day at a glance. Set reminders for your events and tasks. Reminders can be notifications that pop up minutes or hours before an event. They help you prepare in advance and stay on track. Also, include some buffer time between tasks. This means leaving short breaks or extra minutes in case something takes longer than expected. Buffer time prevents your schedule from becoming too tight or stressful. At the end of each day, review your calendar. Check what you completed and adjust the next day's plan if needed. This daily review builds good habits and helps you improve your time management over time. Finally, remember to be flexible. Sometimes unexpected things happen. Use your calendar to quickly reschedule tasks or appointments without losing control of your day. Using a calendar smartly can transform how you manage your time. It keeps your life organized, reduces stress, and helps you achieve your goals step by step. Start today by setting up your calendar and planning your day with these simple tips. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for watching. Stay organized and schedule smart.